Charlottesville has a secret, and this is it. I dared go out of bounds, and honestly, I may never be the same. So buckle up and let's get started right now. Hi, my name's Stephen. Along with my wife Leslie, we are local real estate agents here in the Charlottesville and Shenandoah Valley areas of Virginia, and we are so honored that so many folks from our YouTube channel here, just like you who are watching right now, who have called us, texted us, or emailed us to help them find a home to purchase here in the area or to sell their home as well. And maybe that's you right now. Maybe you're looking to do one of those things. We'd be honored as well if you just call us, text us, or email us by checking out our information in the description below. And like I say, it'd be our honor to help you. Now, additionally, if you like our channel, if you like learning more about the neighborhoods and the areas here in the Charlottesville area and in the Shenandoah Valley, not just that, we go to a lot of the fun festivals and a lot of the different places around the area here that make our area so unique. If that's you, we'd love it if you click that subscribe button, touch that bell icon so you don't miss a minute of Virginia Mountain Valley living. Now, as I said earlier, today we are in Charlottesville, but actually we're just a tad bit outside the Charlottesville city limits. We're right off Barracks Road in one of the neighborhoods that I'm actually going to talk about here today. Now, this area here in Charlottesville is very conveniently located to everything that's along Highway 29 with Costco and the airport up the road a little bit, and Trader Joe's, a lot of other shops and stores and restaurants and places that are right up along the Highway 29 corridor. And of course, you're only about 10 minutes from downtown Charlottesville as well. Now, I picked this area today because I kind of wanted to show you the diversity in homes as far as prices go here in the Charlottesville area. The interesting thing about the three neighborhoods that I'm going to show you today, in one neighborhood is going to be a very economically priced neighborhood with basic starter type homes. And then we're actually going to go into a neighborhood and we're going to look at $1 million townhomes and villas. So like I say, and all of these things, all three of the houses that I'm going to show you today, they're within a quarter mile or less of each other. So all in one area here, you have such a variance of different prices of homes. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to go into the first neighborhood. We're going to start from the most economical neighborhood, work our way into the next neighborhood, and then finish out with those $1 million townhomes and condos. You won't want to miss to see what that is, and you won't want to see if I get in trouble by going out of bounds here. So let's go ahead, let's get into our first neighborhood. All right, so we're here in our first neighborhood. We're in the Knollwood neighborhood, and this neighborhood is pretty much just a one-street neighborhood and multiple houses that are off of it here. But this neighborhood is pretty much characteristic of a mid-20th century neighborhood with a lot of ranch-style homes in it. Now, like I say, this neighborhood, I mean, maybe you want a small home or maybe you're downsizing, but you know, it may not be your dream home neighborhood, but it may be good, like say if you are downsizing or if you are looking to be a first-time home buyer as well. Now, the median price of homes in this neighborhood is in the $400,000 range, and they were built, all of them, between 1950 and 1954, and they're about 1,000 to 2,000 square feet, and they sit on lots that are about a quarter of an acre to 3/4 of an acre. And the first one that we're going to talk about here that I'm going to show you is, I'll switch hands here, right over here on this side of the street. And this little ranch home here is currently active on the market. It's listed for $395,000. It was built in 1953. It has 3 bedrooms and 1 bath, 1,922 square feet of finished living space. Of that, 1,422 is above ground, and if you break it down, that's $206 a square foot, and it sits on a 0.30 acre lot. Now, a little bit about this home and the inside is, like I say, it's a classical 1953 ranch style home. I mean, it blends the charm of that era. It really does with functionality and convenience. Like I say, we're close to everything. Now, when you step through the front door, you're greeted by a warm, inviting living room, and it's a spacious area that's perfect. I mean, if you're going to entertain or if you want to just chill and relax. Now, it's also complete with a nice little cozy wood-burning fireplace there, and got really nice hardwood floors that flow throughout much of the home. Now, adjacent to the living area is the formal dining room, and I mean, it's great for hosting dinner parties or holiday gatherings. And just beyond that, you'll find the kitchen that's fully equipped with modern appliances and got ample cabinet space in it as well. There's a bright breakfast nook there that offers a nice casual spot as well to enjoy your morning coffee if you're like Leslie, or a quick bite to eat. Now, the home it includes 3 comfortable bedrooms, including a well-proportioned main bedroom, primary bedroom that's conveniently located near the full bath. And there's a main level home office as well in one of those bedrooms. Partially finished basement, you'll find a generously sized family room, perfect for a game room or media space or extra lounging area. There's also substantial storage space in the home here as well if you need it. Out back, the nearly level yard offers both usability and privacy, and it's partially fenced in, and there's also a couple nice storage sheds out there for keeping your lawn tools, bikes, hobby supplies, or just keeping things organized and stored. So, like I say, this home has a lot of possibilities here. You know, just looking at it here on the outside, looks like it's in good shape. And if you think about that, what would you do with a home like this? All right, so that's home number 1 and neighborhood number 1. Let's go now and let's get to neighborhood number 2. All right, so we're here on our next neighborhood, and before I give you the name of this neighborhood, I'm gonna give you a little hint about what the neighborhood name might be. To do that, I'm gonna go back at least 2 or 3 years when I was in college, and I had to take British literature class and had to learn something that just stuck in my head forever. So here we go. Juan that Apariella with it shore his sorta, the drought of March hath pierced to the ruta, and bathed every vine in sweet liquor, of which thereto engendered is the flower. You say, what are you talking about, dude? Well, that is actually Middle English, and that is from the Canterbury Tales. Now, those of you who are experts in that, please don't rip me apart. I'm sure I probably made a bunch of wrong dialects and inflections there, but I remember having to read that in college in Middle English, and as a sophomore in college, I was like, ah. But anyway, that's maybe a stretch. That's probably what Leslie told me, it's a stretch. But we're in the Canterbury Hills neighborhood. And so I'm going to turn around here. This is where we started out, actually. And you're going to see that it has these nice little cul-de-sacs around which there's a nice little green space there, and just a lot of nice homes here in this neighborhood. It's a very desirable neighborhood to be in, and located right off Braddock Road. Now, there's about 170 homes or so here in this neighborhood, and as you can see, a lot of them have this classic brick style to them, which is really, really nice, and of course, a lot more low maintenance as well. Now, the homes in this neighborhood, you're going to see some here that are between the $500,000 and $800,000 range for the most part. There's a few that are higher than that. Most of those are toward the back of the neighborhood, and there's some really nice homes there. Additionally, the build dates in this neighborhood are between 1964 and 1980. They have 2,000 to 4,000 square foot for the most part, and they sit on lots that are about 1/4 of an acre to 3/4 of an acre. Now, like any neighborhood built back in the 1960s to the 1980s, you're going to find some homes that are very well upkept and maintained, and then you're going to find other homes that they've gotten older and maybe some of them need a little fixing up and work, and that's what we're going to talk about here by taking a look at our next home right up here around the corner. It's a way for you, if you're looking to get in a good neighborhood, it's a way for you to get in at a more economical price. So let's go ahead and go around the corner and we'll take a look at it. All right, so here's the home that I was talking about, and like I say, it's currently active on the market. It's listed for $599,000. It was built in 1965. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. It has 3,596 square feet of finished living space. 1,950 of that's above ground. If you break that down for the total square footage, it's only $167 a square foot, and it sits on a 0.34 acre lot. Now, like I said, this home, as you'll see here in the pictures here in just a second, it's definitely in need of some updating, but if that's something that you can do, I know that Leslie and I, we did that a couple times, and you really get your equity back out in the home if you do go to sell it. So let's go inside, let's take a look. But first of all, you see that nice porch on the outside with the nice white pillars, and a nice place to sit and relax and enjoy some time. Additionally, once you go in that front door, you're gonna enter the entryway, and there's some ceramic floors in there. And from there, you're gonna go into a sunlit living room that features one of the two home's cozy fireplaces that you could warm up around in the wintertime. Now, the layout flows into a formal dining room that's perfect for everyday meals and special occasions as well. And just off the dining room, the cozy kitchen has a nice bar area that separates the dining room from a family room with its wood parquet floor. Now, the primary bedroom includes an ensuite bath, offering a nice quiet retreat away from the rest of the home, and additional bedrooms are spacious and versatile and good for if you had children or if you had guests that came and stayed as well. Downstairs, the basement provides a flexible space for a family room, a recreation area, or a gym, and there's a second fireplace down there, and there's a couple of extra rooms for storage, and one which has been used as a shop in the past. Now out back, you're going to enjoy a nice peaceful backyard with some apple trees back there, and a pool it's going to have some work to be fixed up. But like I say, if you are willing to do some work, willing to invest some money in here, you're going to get that back. You're going to recoup that, and you're going to have a really nice house here in the Canterbury Hills neighborhood, a desirable neighborhood here just outside Charlottesville. Now, let's go ahead. Let's go into that last neighborhood that has those $1 million townhomes. All right, so at the beginning of the video, I told you that I may never be the same because I am out of bounds today. And here we are, we're in the last neighborhood. This is the out of bounds neighborhood. So yes, but it really is a truly unique neighborhood, and you see some of these homes, you're gonna maybe get some ideas, never be the same as well, because they are really, really beautiful homes. So a little bit about the neighborhood first. First of all, this neighborhood is filled with about 55 luxury townhomes and villa style homes, and the townhomes actually have elevators in them. Now, they were built by Greenwood Homes, and the neighborhood itself is laid out very concisely, and but the home values in this neighborhood ranged from about $850,000 all the way up to about $1,600,000. They were built between 2014 and 2019, and they have between 2,000 and 5,000 square feet in a townhome. And of course, they sit on smaller lots that are about 0.05 to about 0.14 of an acre. Now, like I say, the nice thing about these, all maintenance-free living, and there's a little park in here, and you got trails around here as well. And so, like I say, if you're interested in a luxury townhome just outside Charlottesville, this would be one of the great neighborhoods to look at. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go around the corner right now, and I'm going to show you one of the homes that is currently active on the market. All right, so a little bit more about the neighborhood before I get up here to the home. But one thing I failed to mention, we do have some townhouses, a small row of townhouses here in this neighborhood, which are kind of in the $500,000, $400,000 or $500,000 price range. So, but like I say, most of the homes in this neighborhood are in that $800,000 to over $1 million price range. So, also, as you can see, everything's very well manicured. Really nice place to be. But the home I want to talk to you about is the one that's right behind me over here, and it's currently active on the market. It's listed for $1,275,000. It was built in 2019, has 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and 1 half bath. It has 4,206 square feet of above ground living space. 2,779 of that's above ground. And if you break it down, it's $303 a square foot for a luxury townhome. It sits on a 0.11 acre lot, and it has a $733 quarter maintenance fee. So a little bit about this home, as you can see, I mean, it's really nice. There's a nice little playground that sits next to it here as well. Very well kept, very quiet as well. So let's talk about the inside of the home. First of all, you have this end unit luxury townhome that is, when you arrive, you can see that, like I say, that nice landscaping and the front porch to relax on and to enjoy. And when you step through that front door into a bright, nice, airy foyer that leads into a gorgeous formal dining room. From there, you can go into the high-end kitchen or back out and up the hallway into the spacious living room. But let's talk about the kitchen. It's a gourmet kitchen, chef's dream, and it's equipped with a dual fuel gas range, quartz countertops, an oversized island, white cabinetry, a walk-in pantry, and got really nice fashionable lighting as well. From there, the kitchen opens into the beautiful great room as well, and featuring custom built-ins, a gas fireplace, incredible hardwood floors. But one of the grandest features of this room is the large 2-story windows through which a lot of natural light pours into this space. Probably not like you've seen in any townhome before. And what a great place for gathering with friends or family. Just really neat. And from there, you also have, from that great room, you can step outside onto a fantastic pergola covered deck and extend your living and entertaining space outside as well. The primary suite on the main level is fantastic as well. It's very luxurious. It has tray ceilings and a spacious ensuite bath with dual vanities and nice shower. And it's just look at that amazing, absolutely amazing walk-in closet that's there as well. Now, as you go to the top of the stairs, you can look back down to the great room, and on this level, there's a common area offering more flex space and 3 more well-sized bedrooms as well. Going back downstairs into the basement, the full walkout basement offers flexible living with a family room, basement, another bedroom, a full bath, and a kitchen, and it's ideal for guests and certainly a warm and nice, wonderful place. Imagine gathering down there with your family. Now, like I say, there's a lot more about this home that I could tell you, but the list goes on and on. But it really is, if you're looking to live in a townhome where you have basically no maintenance, and where you have convenient access to everything here in the Charlottesville area, this is a neighborhood that you'd want to look in, because this house, the finishings in it are certainly different than a normal house, and the Out of Bounds neighborhood is a very unique neighborhood right here just outside Charlottesville. So I got one more thing to tell you about this neighborhood, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and go around the corner here and I'll wrap up the video. All right, so there is one home though in this neighborhood that is not a townhome or a villa, and it's this one right here behind me. Very similar to the Canterbury Hills homes that you saw just a moment ago. This home was built in 1940, and it sits on almost an acre of land right here in the middle of this neighborhood, 0.9 acres. And so the interesting thing about it is, though, if you're interested in it, it's currently for sale for $1,650,000 as well. So, but like I say, I hope you enjoyed the video today. I hope that I didn't get too far out of bounds. I couldn't, you know, I'd probably get in trouble from Leslie, right? So, not really, she's great. But like I say, if you're interested in one of these neighborhoods just outside Charlottesville, whether you're looking for a more economical price or whether you're looking to live in luxury, the options right here in this area are multiple choices. And so Leslie and I would be more than happy to show you a home. And I know Leslie's shown multiple people homes in these areas before as well. We'd be happy to show you a home as well. So in order to do that, look at the description down below, call us, text us, or email us, and we'd be honored to help you like we've helped so many other folks who have reached out and said, hey, can you help us? And it's our pleasure to do that. So from here, and I'm still out of bounds, but I guess I'm going to go home and get back inbounds. But until next time, I'll see you around town.